Welcome to your channel a.techno. In this video we are going to talk about the Amazfit Bip U Pro smartwatch with Alexa built-in. In this video, we will discuss the features and benefits of this smartwatch, so that you can make an informed decision as to whether or not it is right for you. Let's dive in. First of all, one of the outstanding features of this smartwatch is the built-in Alexa functionality. You can ask Alexa to set a reminder, check the weather, or even control your smart home devices, all from your wrist. It's a game changer in terms of hands-free convenience and functionality. Another great feature of the Amazfit Bip U Pro is the GPS fitness tracker with more than 60 sports modes. Whether you are a runner, swimmer, or cyclist, this watch can track your activity and provide detailed metrics about your performance. Plus, it's water-resistant up to 5 atm, so you don't have to worry about taking it off when swimming or showering. So there you have it, the Amazfit Bip U Pro smartwatch with Alexa built-in is packed with features that can help you stay on top of your fitness and wellness goals. And with its sleek design and green color option, it's a great choice for both men and women. The watch also has a blood oxygen monitor, which can help you track your overall health and wellness. This feature is especially useful if you are at high altitudes or have a respiratory condition. The heart rate monitor is another great feature that can help you monitor your cardiovascular health. Whether you're trying to improve your fitness or manage an existing condition, having access to your heart rate data can be very helpful. Finally, a sleep monitor can help you track your sleep patterns and improve your overall sleep quality. It provides insight into deep sleep, light sleep, and REM cycles, so you can adjust your habits and get better rest. If you are in the market for a new smartwatch, the Amazfit Bip U Pro is definitely worth considering. So go ahead and give it a try, your health and well-being will thank you. But before we wrap up, let's take a closer look at some of the other benefits of the Amazfit Bip U Pro. For starters, the watch has a long battery life of 9 days, so you don't have to worry about constantly charging it. And when you need to charge it, it's quick and easy thanks to the magnetic charging base. The watch also features a large, easy-to-read screen that can show you notifications from your phone, as well as your fitness data and other important information. And speaking of your phone, the Amazfit Bip U Pro is compatible with both iPhone and Android devices, so you can sync it with your favorite platform and access all its features. Finally, the watch is incredibly lightweight and comfortable to wear, making it ideal for all-day use. Whether you are running errands, hitting the gym, or just relaxing at home, the Amazfit Bip U Pro is the perfect companion to help you stay on track. So there you have it, the Amazfit Bip U Pro smartwatch with Alexa built-in is a feature-packed smartwatch that's perfect for anyone who wants to stay on top of their fitness and wellness goals. With a long battery life, GPS fitness tracker, blood oxygen and heart rate monitors, and more, it's a great choice for anyone who wants to live a healthier, more active life. So what are you waiting for? Head over to the link in the description to learn more about the Amazfit Bip U Pro and pick one up for yourself today. If you like the video, do not forget to support and subscribe to the channel to receive all new updates.